So good morning students. So let me come to that is the trigonometric functions. In previous video classes we have discussed about the trigonometric function for a standard angle with the reference of the point we got, that is so sine 30, sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 180, sine 90, 270, 360. Similarly tan, cot, sec, all the trigonometric functions we have derived, and also we have prepared the table also. So next we come to that is the signs of the trigonometric functions. Sign of the trigonometric functions. So we have to discuss the signs of the trigonometric functions. So signs of the trigonometric function means, so in the first quadrant, so we have to discuss that is that signs of the trigonometry means first we have to know about the quadrants. So this is the two mutually perpendicular lines which divides the plane into four equal parts. For them we call it as quadrants. Okay, quadrants and third. So this is called the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So first quadrant. So we'll come to that is the first quadrant. It is called as the first quadrant. So it is called as the second quadrant. And it is called as the third quadrant. We can say third quadrant. Next, it is called as the fourth quadrant. So all four quadrants we come over. And so before that, if you want to discuss the signs of the trigonometric function, first we need the coordinates of the points in the corresponding quadrants. In these quadrants, that both are positive, that is x is also positive and y coordinate is also positive here. So here which coordinate? X is negative and y is positive. Y is positive. In the second quadrant, y coordinate is positive. And here in the third quadrant, both are negative. So x no negative is y no negative. So that is the negative and negative. So that is in this quadrant, in the fourth quadrant, we know that x is positive and y is negative. Y coordinate is negative. So you could get idea with the reference to this only we are knowing this. If suppose the theta is in the first quadrant, suppose this is the point, P is a point which makes an angle theta and which lies in the first quadrant. Coordinates in another x comma y. Both are positive or not? So both are positive. So positive by positive, again it is a positive. So this is a x coordinate and it is a y coordinates. So we know the trigonometric function for a first quadrant. If theta is in the first quadrant, if theta is in the first quadrant, Sine the definition is sine theta is equal to, so that is y by r. R means distance. Distance is always positive. Distance yavaglu enirutte positive irutte. Distance positive irutte. So y enirutte first quadrant positive. That is positive by positive. Positive divided by positive. We are discussing the signs means we think about the signs of that coordinates. Why? Because our trigonometric functions are defined in terms of the coordinates and the distance. So positive by positive means positive. In the first quadrant, the sign of an angle is positive. Similarly, cos of an angle, cos theta is equal to, so x by r. What about x? X is a positive. Why? Because it is in the first quadrant. Both are positive. Eradu positive adavri. So next, positive by positive. Positive by positive. So what we get? That is again a positive. Again we will get the positive. Next, how the cos theta, tan theta is defined? Tan theta is equal to y by x. How it is defined? Y by x. Y meaning y positive, x positive. So that is positive by positive. So we are discussing only the signs. What are the signs of that trigonometric function in the first quadrant? So it depends on the coordinates, signs of the coordinates of that point on the corresponding quadrant. So ಈ trigonometric function signs ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತವ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಏನಾಗತ್ತವ್ರಿ ಆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ದ tan theta is equal to y by x. Y coordinate ಏನೈತಿ positive, x coordinate ಏನೈತಿ positive. Positive by positive, again it is a positive. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? Next, cot theta is equal to x by y. X by y. So that is x is positive. So divided by y is positive. Positive by positive, again it is a positive. Next we come to that is cot theta is over. Next, so sec theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Sec theta is nothing but r by x. R by x. R is always positive. Divided by positive. Positive by positive. It is a positive. It is a positive. So next, cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to r by y definition. R ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ರೀ, ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರತೈತ್ರಿ. y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಐತ್ರಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. Positive by positive, that is a positive. So from here it is clear that all trigonometric function are positive in the first quadrant. Ella trigonometric function ಏನದಾವ್ರಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. So all are positive. All are positive in the first quadrant. Ella trigonometric ratios ಏನದಾವ್ರಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರೊಳಗ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋಣ್ರಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಇಫ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ರೀ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದೇವಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೇವಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ p is equal to x comma y. So this will join this. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ y ಯಾವಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ x is ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, x ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ y axis. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ y axis x coordinate is negative, ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ನಾಗ x ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಐತ್ರಿ, y ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರತೈತ್ರಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರತೈತಿ. So next, if theta lies in the second quadrant, theta ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ನಾಗ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ನಾಗ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವೆ ನೋಡೋದು. ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ y ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ, y ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೈನ್, ಅದರದ ಸೈನ್ r positive. So that is positive by positive, that is equal to positive. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ cos theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ x by r. x ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, that is a negative, divided r ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. So negative by positive, that is negative. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ cos theta ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ನಾಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ನಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಐತ್ರಿ x ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಅದರ ಸಂಬಂಧ cos θ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ tan θ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ y by x y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಅದು ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ divided by x coordinate negative. So positive by negative that is equal to negative. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. cot θ x by y x ಏನ್ರಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ that is negative divided by y positive negative by positive that is a negative negative. sec θ ಏನ್ರಿ r by x r ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ x ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ so that is negative. ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬೈ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ cosec θ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ r ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಸೊ y ಏನೈತ್ರಿ y so that is the positive. So positive by positive that is equal to positive ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಐತ್ರಿ sin ಮತ್ತು cosec ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ remaining negative. Here we get that is the sin and cosec are positive. So that is all are positive. Sin and cosec are positive. Here we come to that is the third quadrant. If theta ಏನದ third quadrant ಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So let me see that. Theta, if theta comes in the third quadrant, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P x, y ನೋಡ್ರಿ x ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ y ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತಳ. ಸೊ x ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಈ ಕಡೆನು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ y ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದು θ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ sin θ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ y ಏನೈತಿ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಐತಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ y ದ ಸೈನ್ ಏನೈತಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ x ದ ಸೈನ್ ಏನೈತಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ r ಅಂತೂ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ ಅದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬೈ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೊ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ sin θ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ. cos θ ನೋಡ್ರಿ x ನು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ x ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ r ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬೈ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಐತ್ರಿ. tan θ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ y by x ಏನ್ರಿ y by x y ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ x ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ by negative that is positive. We are well known about that. So again cot θ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ that is negative x by x no negative y no negative by negative that is positive. Next sec θ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ r by x so that is positive divided x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ that is a negative positive by negative that is a negative. cosec θ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ r by y r so that is positive. So y negative is equal to negative. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಐತ್ರಿ tan and cot are positive. In the third quadrant we came to know that is tan and cot are positive. Tan and cot are positive. In the next ಯಾವ quadrant ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ that is the fourth quadrant is left here. So fourth quadrant ನಾಗ ಏನೇನ ಆಗತೈತ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತೈತಿಲ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin cosec ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan cot ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಉಳಿದದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. So next we come to that is the if theta is in the ಯಾವ quadrant ರೀ fourth quadrant that is the last. So fourth quadrant. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದ್ರಿ fourth quadrant. If suppose the theta lies here the fourth quadrant suppose p comes here, p ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ, p is equal to x comma y, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this will become a theta. So x ಏನಿದೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, y ಏನಿದೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. x ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So for an angle we are going to define, that is sin theta is equal to y by r. y ಏನಿದೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಐತಿ, so negative divided by positive. y coordinate negative ಐತಿ, divide r ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. negative by positive, that is a negative, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ cosec theta, cos theta, x by r. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, that is positive. x ಏನಿದೆ positive, divided by positive. So x positive ಇದೆ, x coordinate positive ಇದೆ. So positive by positive, it will become a positive. Next, tan theta is y by x. Tan theta is y by x. Y ಏನಿದೆ, that is y is negative there. Negative divided by positive. Negative by positive, negative by positive, that is negative. So cot theta ಏನಿದೆ x by y. x ಏನಿದೆ positive ಇದೆ, y ಏನಿದೆ negative ಇದೆ, y coordinate ಏನಿದೆ negative. So positive by negative, that is a negative. Sec theta ಏನಿದೆ r by x, r by x. r ಏನಿದೆ positive, divided by x ಏನಿದೆ negative. Sorry, x, r positive, x is positive, so positive by positive, positive. Cosec theta, that is r is positive, y is negative, positive by negative, negative. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ, so that is the cos and sec are positive. In the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive, are positive. So from this, here we are getting, that is the, so in the first quadrant, the signs of the trigonometric functions, we got that all are positive in the first quadrant. Sin and cosec are positive in the second quadrant. So third quadrant, tan and cot are positive in the third quadrant. So in the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. So here we got one rule, that is ASTC rule we call it. To remember the signs of the trigonometric function, we have created, that is the rule, so which we call it as an ASTC rule. So it is called as first, second, third, fourth. A means all trigonometric function are positive. Sin means sin and cosec are positive in the second quadrant. So T means tan and cot are positive in the third quadrant. C means cos and sec are positive. So this rule will give you an idea of the signs of the trigonometric function. So ASTC rule, so that we can say, that is Alimati station ticket collection. So this we can easily remember, that is the signs of the trigonometry. All trigonometric, A means all trigonometric function are positive. S means sin and cosec are positive. T means tan and cot are positive. C means cos and sec are positive. A silver tea cup, a silver teacup, a silver teacup. This is also a hint to, so remember, that is a signs of the trigonometric function. A silver teacup, or a Alimati station ticket collector. Alimati station ticket collector. So this is a very easy, we can identify, that is the signs of trigonometric function by this word. All. A means Alimati. You have to remember, that is all. All trigonometric function are positive. S means sin and cosec are positive. T means tan and cot are positive. C means cos and sec are positive. So So by this word we can easily remember that is the signs of the trigonometric function. ಈ trigonometric function ಅದ signs ಅನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ ಹೇಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ASTC rule ಪ್ರಕಾರ ASTC rule ಪ್ರಕಾರ. So next we move to that is the allied angles. So ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ allied angles ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ್ರಿ. allied angles ಮುಗಿಸಿದೇವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so that is not there in your syllabus, but we have to know that allied angles means what? The theta which is allied with the quadrantal angles. For example, 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta. ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವಿ allied angles ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So for which we call as an allied angles means a theta which is allied or an added or a subtracted with that, so that is the quadrantal angle. 90, 180, 270, 360 ಏನಂತೇವಿ quadrantal angles ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವ್ರಿ. So if theta is allied with the quadrantal angle, then they are called as allied angles. Or we can also call that is the sum of the angle is either quadrantal angles, either 90 degree or multiple of a right angle, right? So sum of any two angles is another right angle or another quadrant, so that is the 90 degree, then it is called as the or a multiple of a right angle, then it is called as a allied angle. Hingu define ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ. So that is if for which we call as an allied angles means sum of the two angles, sum of the angles is either multiple of a right angle or a 0 degree. So for example, if you take that is theta, theta is an angle. For this what we have, so that is a 90 minus pi by 2 minus theta. If you add this is 2 angle. So then if you add this, what we get, the result is that pi by 2, a right angle. So if we take that is theta plus or add or a difference, sum or a difference of any two angles, so any two angles is either 0 or a multiple of right angle, then it is called as a allied angle. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ allied angle ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. So or simply we can say that is theta minus theta, so that is pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 plus theta. So next pi minus theta, pi plus theta. So for these we call them as an allied angles. You can theory allied angles ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. Theta minus theta minus 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 370 minus 270 minus theta, 270 plus 3 pi by 2 minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus theta. So similarly 2 pi minus theta, 2 pi plus theta. So for those allied angles we have to see that. So next we come to that is the trigonometric function of allied angles. So allied angle means what? The sum or a difference of any two angle is a multiple of a right angle, either the 0 or a multiple of right angle or a 90 degree. So allied angle. So for which we call it as an allied angle means allied angle. The sum or difference of any two angles is 0 or multiple of right angle. which are the example? Theta minus theta. Sum of these two angle is 0. Then these two. And next, pi by 2 minus theta means 90 minus theta. Pi by 2 plus theta. If I add these two, what we get? So that is pi by 2 plus pi by 2. That is 180. Means multiple of right angle triangle. So next, pi minus theta. Pi plus theta. Next, 3 pi by 2 minus theta. 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Next, 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi plus theta. So we have to discuss the trigonometric function for all these angles. So that the trigonometric function for the allied angles. You can tell the allied angles. Allied angle is the sum or difference of any two angles is 0 or multiple of a right angle. Multiple of a right angle is okay now allied angle. Nodri. ಇವೆರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ರಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ರಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ರಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ರಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 2 pi 4 pi is also multiple of right angle. 8 pi ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. 8 pi by 2. 8 pi by 2. 8 into pi. Pi by 2 is a right angle. 8 times of a right angle. No? So that again it will become the multiple of right angle. So these are called as the allied angles. You can tell allied angles. So in Euclid trigonometric function for these allied angles we have to see that. So with a diagrammatically, so here we are going to use the properties of the triangles. Once again, they are very useful for us. So for defining a trigonometric function, the properties of the triangles are very important. So that if two angles are similar or if two angles of a triangles are same, then their corresponding sides are also same. ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಎರಡು angles ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವ್ರಿ, if they are congruent then we say that their two triangles are said to be